what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this falling filter on Instagram. So this is the effect. Okay, to get this effect on Instagram, what you have to do is just visit the creator profile. Alan is the creator of this effect. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your Instagram camera tray. He's having some awesome filter. Okay, so check in his filter gallery. He's having lots of filters, so check carefully. Okay, this is the effect falling. Just tap on it. You will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, what you can do, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filters. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.